want to show you how to fix a drywall issue. If you cut your drywall, you cut your hole for your receptacle, it's too wide. This is how I fix it. I cut my tape so that it's the width of whatever side needs to be fixed, and then I stick it in, and then I just fill it with spackling. Easy fix. It's not the apocalypse, it's not the end of the world, it's just drywall. By the time you get done priming it and painting it, you're not even going to notice a difference. So once this dries, I'll cut the excess paper off, and voila. Same here. Here's another one I'm going to do for you so you can see how it turns out. Pretty easy fix. Like I said, it's not the end of the world. It happens, you know, it happens sometimes. Can't always be perfect. If you were, you probably wouldn't be doing the drywall by yourself. You'd be hiring somebody to do it for you. There we go. Stuff it in there, kind of press hard. Take your extra. You gotta work it a couple times so you get enough in the hole. Otherwise, when it dries, it'll sink. And it may end up sinking anyway, but you can go over it again once it dries and fill it in again. Well, there you go. Like I said, it's not the end of the world, and nobody will ever know the difference once it's dry and cleaned up and sand it and primed and painted. You'll never even be able to tell. Anyway, I hope this helps. Stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully this helps, and have a blessed night, and I may do another video later. God bless.